my Sonic Rangers. Today we are opening up ding 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 a Sonic Boom thing, and look at that. Look at that right there. So here we got the Boom figures. I already took the DVD out. It has Knuckles, Tails again right here, Knuckles in the back, Sonic, Knuckles, Tails, Amy. Let's open these up. Okay. Give me a moment. Okay, there. This is so magical. So here was the DVD. I took it out, like I said. And yeah, okay. So here are the figures. Oh my god. Oh, they feel nice. Oh, Tomy has like the great figures in the whole wide world. So here are the figures. They look cool. They're kind of stuck. Okay. I don't know how to get them out, but okay. How would you get Tommy's figures out of their boxes? Okay, yeah, I don't really know how to open these figures out. Oh, here we go. Okay. Here is Knuckles. Knuckles, you're a kid? No. Oh, Knuckles, you're a kid? No. Hi. Here's Knuckles. Okay. And now let's open up Tails. Oh my god. Here's Tails. They open up really good. Okay. So, yeah. Look at the box. It looks awesome. Here we got Knuckles. He has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 articulations. He has his watch. He has his big fish that can move. Yeah, it can move back and forth, I think. I don't really know. Here, his head, his purple eyes, his quills, they're very long. His tail, his legs. You can make him sit down. Like, meh. I'm gonna just sit down and relax today. So here's Knuckles. I can't believe it told me. I found this at Target, and oh my gosh, there was 3 of them, so you can get them at Target. So yeah, Knuckles. Yeah. Let's read. And here's Tails. Hello, Tails. He's small. Okay, so he has like 5 articulations like Knuckles. The Tails doesn't move. Okay, so he can move his legs, his arms, and his head. His head also. And he has holes. I think Knuckles has holes. I think so. I don't know. Yeah, so they have holes under their feet. And yeah. His tails. Yep, also Knuckles has holes. So yeah, these 2 were very cool. I found them at Target. I was trying to look for the Jakks Pacific, but I found these. I'm so happy. Yay. Make sure to subscribe today. Subscribe. All of you subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, my Sonic Avengers fans.